get there to the MLA HQ, I will try and get some footage of their facilities so you guys can check it out. Quite impressive. That's why I did my exam. Yeah. So catch you guys in a bit. Training place, you know that, composite door, aluminium door, there, looks like UPVC door, a door for their training, composite door for their training, they've got loads of doors, another UPVC door with a holes in it, and look at all this, we've got more doors around here. This is what you call a massive training facility. Look at all these doors here. They're training with the fitting rigs on them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When I did my exam, I think this was the door that I used. But anyone doing the exam, what I'd advise you is look for the doors without the knots. That's what I did. To make sure you've got it easier. You've got the training benches all the way around here. It's not really doing much justice on the phone. All the stuff on the wall. Keys. Yeah, you've got all the key machines to learn how to cut keys and calibrate the machines. All the latest stuff. Here's the machine I got, a newer version. Grinding wheels. You should come down, have a look. Have a look for yourselves. You'd enjoy it. There we go, entering the MLA HQ. There, grow your skills. This is downstairs. And that was going through to the training room before, which is through these doors. And then all this to the security system. Then you got go upstairs. Like a big vault. It's very impressive. How cool is that? So not only got the training facility downstairs, they got like another training room up here. Look at that. Training facility second to none. Right. And remember, come and join us at the expo. Yeah, that's it guys. My day here was to do the Berg training, Berg watch on their safes. Cheers, thanks for watching.